welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch a golden stag beetle in Heartopia. So it only appears when it's dusk time or nighttime, and if the weather is either rainbow or rainy, and it is located in the Spirit Oak Pine Forest. So I sometimes use the scent booster to make my life easier because they're like behind trees sometimes. So you're just going to go around the Spirit um, Oak Pine Forest. I keep forgetting what it's called. And you're just going to go around and try to locate where it is. I think I missed it. It was supposed to be like on that tree maybe. But in the end, I found it. And here's what it looks like. You also need to be level 9 of insect catching. I forgot to mention that. Sorry. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!